Siddhir bhavati karmajah. Success comes from action. This ancient Sanskrit shlok from the Bhagavad Gita reminds us that without effort, no goal is ever achieved. And the most powerful form of effort is practice. Honorable jury members, respected audience, greetings to all. My unique ID is P38. And today I am here to express my views on the topic practice is the key to success. Before I start, let me ask a question. Can a cricketer become a legend by just reading books on cricket? Can a dancer move hearts out without hours of rehearsal? No. Behind every successful story is a mountain of practice. Silent, consistent, and powerful. A seeker who does not lose hope due to initial failures, but maintains consistency in practice and shows persistent effort, sharpens their skills and abilities, and eventually succeeds in reaching the highest pinnacle of excellence. This makes it clear that practice is the foundation of success. We often admire great personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam, MS Dhoni, or Lata Mangeshkar. But what made them extraordinary was not magic, but the discipline of daily practice. There's a beautiful thought in Hindi. अभ्यास से ही होती है सिद्धि, बिना अभ्यास के मिलती नहीं वृद्धि. Only through practice can mastery be attained. Without it, growth is impossible. Friends, failure does not come from falling down. It comes from refusing to get up and try again. Even Thomas Edison have said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. And after all those failures, practice led him to success. Through practice, impossible becomes possible and the unachievable becomes achievable. Practice transforms ignorant into knowledgeable, the novice into an expert, and incapable into capable. Even Lord Krishna in the Gita said, Abhyas na tu kaunteya vairagyancha grihate. Through practice and detachment, O Arjun, one can control restless minds. So, whether you are a student preparing for exams, an artist chasing perfection, or a dreamer building a future, remember this: success does not come overnight. It comes from one practice session at a time. The power of practice can also be witnessed in animals such as lions in circus, performing astonishing feats that defy their natural instincts. Through practice, one attains supreme contentment and an opportunity for peace. And then self-improvement emerges, meaning practice liberates one from all consistencies, sufferings, and obstacle of life. So, let's promise ourselves today that we will not fear failure, we will not run from hard work, and we will practice until our weakness turn into our strength. Because, as they say, practice like you have never won. Perform like you have never lost. Now, I'll leave you with a question. Are you all ready to practice today for the success you dream of tomorrow? Thank you.